Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open Capital One bank account online. First, you have to go to capitalone.com. From their website you can sign up for a new account. Now you can sign in to your old account by entering your username and password, but here is the setup online access to set up an online account of Capital One. You just need to simply click on it, and then enrollment page will load on your screen, and from here you just find a form that you have to enter some personal information of yourself, like your last name and the social security number, like this last name and your social security number or ITIN. Then you have to enter the date of birth according to your official document that issued by your government. Then simply click on get started. Also, you can use your bank account, your live bank account number instead of social security number or ITIN number. Then you can get started to create Capital One bank account online. Then after this step you must need to enter the valid document. They should ask for your valid document that provided by your government, like your national ID card, your driving license, or any type of passport. Then you can enter the details, then verify your identity, and then you can create a Capital One online bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.